Hey everyone, quick video on the welder. I got a bit frustrated with it and I was looking online thinking, shall I buy a new one? And I turned around and decided to have a go at fixing the motherboard inside it, a little control board. Now, inside this little bag here is what you call a capacitor. Now, this was on that board and one of the legs wasn't correctly fitted, and I think this was what caused it to blow. Even though it doesn't look like it's blown, I don't think this works. Anyway, I bought a new one and I fitted it in there. Lo and behold, it works. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to test this out. I need to find the gas bottle because it is a bit of a mess in here. I've got a pile of junk, Revis 75 headlights, loads of stuff in there. I moved a load of stuff into the garage, which is good, so I've got more room in here, but I need to move more stuff. So, let's get that sorted out and then get the gas bottle and see if this thing will actually weld some metal. And if I pan around, I've got an old steel bin here, old metal thing that bin men used to use. So I'm going to weld that. Well, try to anyway. I know it's galvanised, don't worry about it, I've got a face mask. Well, I've got this old bin here, and yeah, as soon as I turn this welder on, it's going to make a bit of noise. So we want, I'd say medium, and low. We're going to give this a try, see what's what. I haven't welded anything in months. So, let's give it a try, shall we? Wire that way, actually. Get these rags out of the way as well. Last thing we want is a fire. I really need to get this shed organised. So many rags, this is crazy. I have to get this all bagged up. I can't see what I'm looking at with that thing. Right. That's better. Snips. I'm just going to test it first. That's burning through. What the hell? Has it done it again? It's clicking like it should be. Great. It stopped working again. Great. the hell has it stopped working again? It was fine yesterday. Guys, I'm in a bit of a boo-boo. Some of the settings on the front of the welder caused me to get a bit confused. It's not pulling. Now it is, but the wire's not in the groove. There we go. There we go, that's better. Let's see if I can weld this. I know it's really thin metal. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. Literally burning holes in it. Turn the welder down a bit. Still burning holes in it. Doesn't seem to want to weld that well. Try a different piece of metal. I don't think I'm going to be able to weld this this bin. It's just too damn thin. Let's try this, shall we? A bit more power there. God, I'm going to weld at the tip. I need to be further away from the tip. Right, seems I keep messing this up. Let's try again. I'm going to weld some decent metal because that last piece has got some kind of coating on it, and I've damaged the end of this thing. The threads where the tips go in are ruined, so it looks like I'm going to need a new swan neck, and that's what the swan neck is. The handle is what the swan neck is. So let's try this again. I've put the settings back to what it was when I first got the welder, and it was working nicely. I think all I need to do is control the speed of the wire, and I need to be further away from the metal. The hell? It's done it again. It's welded the tip again. Yeah. Why is it doing this? Why? I'm just practicing, guys. I'm not doing anything serious. So this welder is not that great, I've got to be honest with you. Really randomly speedy. It depends. I've noticed that, like, when I'm using this, if I watch the motor inside and I use these switches in a certain way, this is very irregular. Very irregular. I don't think this welder is up for welding a car. I really don't. Must have had the wire brush then. Oh, there it is. Literally all I'm doing is just having a mess around. And the previous video, I'll put a link to it, where I was welding. I was getting quite good welds. That's just evaporated because this thing was just playing up so badly. And it's sticking to stuff, which is really annoying. Hang on, I'm forgetting stuff, really. Wire is too fast. Yeah. Alright then, well, the welder, as you can hear, is running. It's not quite so noisy now. I think it's just after it's warmed up, the fan cools down a bit. Okay, so all I did today was I've just got two random pieces of steel and just kind of welded them together. It's really erratic on the wire feed, and I think there is a break in this here somewhere, so I need to fix that. But overall, I'm happy it's working. Thanks for watching everyone, see you later.